Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SURGEPHOENIX H7 light bulbs, 60,000 lumens super brighter. Key features include: the SURGEPHOENIX H7 fog light bulbs introduce a significant upgrade for drivers seeking clearer visibility, enhanced brightness, and improved nighttime safety on the road. Crafted with advanced optical engineering, these newly upgraded bulbs excel in accurate beam concentration, allowing them to project a sharply focused beam pattern that minimizes glare for oncoming drivers. This refined beam not only helps avoid disturbing others on the road but also ensures there are no dark spots, shadows, or uneven lighting, offering a wider and clearer field of vision in low visibility conditions such as fog, rain, or night driving. One of the most impressive features of the SURGEPHOENIX H7 bulbs is their powerful illumination capability. With brightness levels reaching 1000% stronger than traditional halogen bulbs, they emit an astonishing 60,000 lumens per set in a crisp 6500 K white light. This daylight-like tone enhances color clarity and improves the driver's ability to detect obstacles, road markings, and hazards earlier. The increased reaction time contributes significantly to overall driving safety, especially during long night drives or challenging weather conditions. The bulbs are engineered with a 1x1 halogen-matching design, ensuring a smooth plug-and-play installation without the worry of dust cover incompatibility or the need for modifications. Their all-in-one durable construction includes non-plastic connectors molded directly into the bulb body, enhancing both stability and reliability. Every bulb is rigorously tested to ensure a precise fit, making installation simple, secure, and stress-free. Durability is another key strength of the SURGEPHOENIX H7 bulbs. Built with 8 large format chips from top chip manufacturers, aviation-grade aluminum, copper heat dissipation tubes, and a 20,000 RPM high-speed cooling fan, these bulbs offer exceptional thermal management. The result is an extended lifespan of over 60,000 hours, greatly reducing the frequency of bulb replacements. In addition, the bulbs achieve 98% vehicle compatibility, thanks to advanced linear decoding technology. They are CANbus-ready, preventing flickering and eliminating dashboard error messages in most vehicle models. While a few sensitive vehicles may require an additional decoder, support is readily available to ensure proper installation. Altogether, the SURGEPHOENIX H7 fog light bulbs deliver powerful brightness, long-lasting durability, and seamless compatibility, making them a premium choice for enhancing nighttime driving safety. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.